Artists and entrepreneurs use avatars to create a consistent and unique identity across different platforms. They can be used to convey a particular image or message, helping to establish a personal brand and connect with the target audience. But the impact of digital avatars extends beyond the screen. They can shape our self-perception and behavior, both online and offline. Studies have shown that the attributes of our avatars can influence our actions and attitudes in the real world, a phenomenon known as the Proteus effect. For example, if your avatar is dressed in a confident manner, you might find yourself acting more confidently in real life. Moreover, avatars can also affect how we interact with others. They can facilitate empathy and understanding, allowing us to step into someone else's shoes and experience different perspectives. This can lead to more meaningful and inclusive interactions, both in the virtual and real world. Digital avatars, therefore, not only help us navigate the digital world, but also shape our perceptions and experiences in the real world. So, what have we learned about our virtual doppelgangers? Digital avatars, our virtual alter egos, are more than just pretty pixels. They are a blend of technology and creativity, a mirror that reflects our identity in the vast digital universe. They're used in a myriad of ways, from gaming and social media to business and education. These digital doppelgangers have a profound impact on our lives, shaping how we interact, learn, and even how we perceive ourselves. They offer a unique opportunity to express ourselves, to be who we want to be, and to experience things beyond physical limitations. Understanding digital avatars is crucial in this digital age, as they become increasingly integral to our online existence. They are not just characters on a screen, but extensions of ourselves, representing us in the virtual realm. Remember, in the digital world, your digital avatar is your face, your voice, and your identity. So make it count.